Hello everyone, my name is Monika Singh Chouhan. I am here to give a short presentation on the topic crime investigation using big data and analytics. Before discussing anything else, let's first recall what big data is to have a proper understanding of the topic. Big data refers to the extremely large and diverse collection of structured, unstructured, and semi structured data that continues to grow exponentially over time. These datasets are so huge and complex in volume, velocity, and variety that traditional data management systems cannot store, process, and analyze them. The five important characteristics that are the foundation of our big data are volume, the amount of data matters; velocity, fast rate at which data is received and perhaps acted on; variety refers to many things of data that are available; value, it's essential to determine the business value of the data you collect; veracity, the higher the veracity of the data, the more trustworthy it is. Let's have a look at how crime investigation can make use of big data. Crime investigation has entered a new era with the advent of big data and advanced analytics. The sheer volume, velocity, and variety of data generated in the modern world provide law enforcement agencies with unprecedented opportunities to enhance their investigative processes, solve crimes, and improve public safety. Big data technologies have revolutionized how crimes are investigated, offering powerful tools for data collection, analysis, and decision making. Traditionally, crime investigation relied on manual data collection, witness statements, and physical evidence. While these methods remain crucial, the integration of big data into investigative process has added a dynamic and proactive dimension. This introduction explores the transformative impact of big data in crime investigation, detailing how data-driven approaches empowers law enforcement agencies to be more effective and efficient in solving and preventing criminal activities. Now let's have a detailed description of how crime investigation can actually use big data. The whole process can be divided into various stages and each stage has its own significance. Let's have a look at them one by one. Data collection stage. The data collection stage is the foundation step in the process of utilizing big data for crime investigation. It involves gathering diverse and extensive data sets from various sources, both structured and unstructured, to build a comprehensive information repository. The sources for where we can collect data can be law enforcement records, public records, surveillance systems, social media, sensors and IoT devices, and a lot more. The data collection stage is fundamental to providing law enforcement with a wealth of information which can be further analyzed using big data technologies to uncover patterns, identify potential suspects, and generate actionable insight. It sets the stage for data processing, analytics, and decision making in the subsequent stages of crime investigation using big data. Talking about the next stage, classification stage. This stage in crime investigation using big data involves categorization and prioritizing criminal cases and incidents based on various parameters and patterns. Data preprocessing also comes under this stage where raw material is preprocessed to remove noise, handle missing values, and standardize data formats. This ensures that the data is consistent and ready for analysis. Various classification models are employed to categorize cases into different classes or priorities. For example, cases may be classified as high priority if they exhibit patterns associated with the violent crimes, or low priority for non-violent offenses. Cases are prioritized based on the outcome of the classification model. High priority cases receive immediate attention, while low priority cases may be subject to further analysis or assigned fewer resources. By leveraging big data and machine learning, classification enhances the ability to focus on cases with the greatest potential impact on public safety. Pattern recognition stage. The pattern recognition stage is a fundamental component of crime investigation using big data. In this stage, advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms are applied to large data sets to identify meaningful pattern trends and anomalies. These patterns can be crucial in understanding criminal behavior, modulus operandi, and the dynamics of criminal activities. Applying machine learning algorithms to detect recurring pattern in criminal activities such as common location, times, or method used by criminals. We can detect anomaly also by identifying unusual or suspicious behavior that they may indicate criminal activities or deviations from established norms. Prediction. This stage of crime investigation involves using data analytics and machine learning to anticipate and prevent potential criminal activities. Utilize machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. These models learn from historical data to identify patterns and correlation associated with criminal activities. Apply the predictive model to real-time or historical data to generate prediction about whether and when crimes are likely to occur. This prediction can help law enforcement allocate resources more efficiently. Law enforcement agencies receive alerts and recommendations based on the prediction. This information can guide patrol routes, resource allocation, and targeted crime prevention efforts. Visualization. This stage of crime investigation involves presenting complex data in a visual format to aid investigators and analysts in gaining insight, making sense of pattern, and drawing conclusion. Visualization tools and technique including charts, graphs, maps, dashboards, and heat maps are used to represent the data visually. These tools help convert data into a format that is easy to comprehend and explore. Maps can be created to show crime hotspots and trends. Geospatial data is overlaid on maps to highlight areas with greater crime rates, enabling law enforcement to focus resources on those areas. Now, talking about the advantages, it provides improved predictive policy. Big data analytics can help in predicting whether crimes are likely to occur. This allows law enforcement agencies to allocate resources strategically, deploying officers to high-risk areas and prevent crimes before they happen. Faster and more efficient investigations. Analyze large data set can speed up investigations. Law enforcement can quickly identify pattern, suspects, and evidence, leading to more efficient and timely case resolution. Enhanced resource allocation. Big data helps agencies optimize resources allocation such as personnel, equipment, and budget to address the most pressing need. and improve overall operational efficiency. Identification of trends and hotspots. By analyzing crime data over time, law enforcement can identify trends and hotspots. This information can inform proactive crime investigation efforts and community policy initiatives. Crime mapping and visualization. Geographic information system and data visualization tool can help law enforcement create crime maps, making it easier to understand crime patterns and make data-driven decisions. Reduction in bias. Data-driven decisions making can help reduce bias in law enforcement activities by relying on objective data rather than subjective judgments. Now let's have a look at the challenges faced while using big data in crime investigation. Data privacy concern. The collection and analysis of vast amount of data raise significant privacy concerns. Accessing and using personal data even for law enforcement purpose must adhere to restrict legal and ethical standards. Data security. Protecting sensitive crime data from unauthorized access and cyber attack is a major challenge. Storing and securing large datasets can be costly and complex. Accuracy and bias. The algorithms and models used in big data analysis can produce biased results, especially if the data used for training is biased. This can lead to inaccurate or unfair conclusion in criminal investigations. Data quality. Big data often contains noise, error, and inconsistencies. Low data quality can lead to incorrect conclusion and unreliable predictions. Privacy violations. In the pursuit of solving crimes, there is a risk of violating individual privacy rights. Striking the right balance between crime prevention and privacy protection is a complex challenge. Legal and ethical challenges. The use of big data for crime investigation raises numerous legal and ethical challenges. It's important to ensure that data collection and analysis comply with relevant law and ethical standards. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that leveraging big data in crime investigation is a transformative approach that has the potential to revolutionize law enforcement efforts. By harnessing the power of advanced analytics and data driven technologies, law enforcement agencies can uncover patterns, connections, and insights that were previously hidden. Predictive policy, real-time alerts, and evidence management are just a few of the capabilities that big data offers, improving the efficiency and effectiveness of crime investigation. Thank you.